Hi, this is Miss Otis here to help you navigate Gradebook. There's two ways you can get to your gradebook. One is from the Elgin ISD webpage. Under Staff, alphabetical order, find T for Texas Gradebook, or you can go through your class link under T for Texas Gradebook, and then you are here. Rawr, Wildcats. One thing we always do here is post attendance before 10 a.m. You are not responsible for tardies. You only mark absence. Always put in your 4-digit PIN to post. It will pop this little window. You have to click continue. Don't walk away and miss that button. But for entering grades, when you first set up your gradebook, you'll need to administer your categories. This is the weight you are giving to each type of grade. Classwork, homework, assessments. We all use the same weight for our grades here, and then you'll put your PIN to enter and save. You can also click here to copy to your other assignments. You see the drop down shows all your different classes. So once you've decided your weight for language arts, you can click copy and go copy those to your reading, your math, and all your other classes. Enter your PIN, copy to save. Now that you've got them weighted accordingly, we want to administer assignments. Today, I'll show you some social studies. But you can see here I have my homeroom language arts, homeroom reading. Miss Crafts teaches math. I teach one block of social studies and a second block of social studies, one block of science and a second block of science. So I'm going to go to my first block of social studies, click retrieve data to go to that class. And here's my assignments. Add new assignment today, Investigación Kwanzaa. Here's that weighted class home or assessment, and then the date. 5, 7, and we give it 2 weeks currently, so you can always go to the calendar if you need to see. All right, now I'm going to enter my PIN to save it, but then one of my favorite features, like I told you, I teach 2 blocks of this, will be to go copy that to my other class. So I select the assignment to copy. It was in social studies. You can see this one's grayed out because that's the class it is in. And I'm going to copy it to my second block. Cycle 1 is semester 1, cycle 2, semester 2. I've selected, put my PIN, copy, and it tells you done, successfully copied. Now I want to go enter those grades. Here under grades, assignment grades, make sure you're in the correct class, drop down to my social studies, and here are my students. Here's our assignment. Now this little sheet means I can put notes. If this student had accommodations, or if I need to say had extra time or completed with partner, you can always add notes right there. Another favorite feature I like to do is if it was like, a daily grade that a lot of students made 100, I come down to the bottom and I can say fill everyone with 100. If everyone got 100, but then even if only like a few got a 90, then I can come back in and just edit a few. Oops. So that is a fun feature. Otherwise, we enter our grades. You can click enter to go to the next one and go quickly, but always double check your work. And at the end, put your PIN to save. Then, like we said, I copied it to my second class. So go to my second class of social studies. Here's their group, and I'll enter their grades and save as well. Over by the student names, if you see stars, you can always, those are medical notes. You can click on your students to find out more about them, to get into their addresses, their parent phone numbers, and all of that good stuff. Now, it is the end of 9 weeks, or it is progress report time, and you need to submit your cycle grades. Under grades, click cycle grades, retrieve data. And then here we're going to check that they are correct for where we're posting. And then you want to put your PIN and save. Here you'll print, sign, and turn into our registrar a copy. What else? Oh, discipline referrals go under here. That's all I've got for today. Happy grading!